English together.
Conversation 1.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every morning. Do you like tea?
No, I don't. I like juice. Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I eat bread and eggs. Do you eat breakfast at home?
No, I don't. I eat at work. Do you take the bus to work?
Yes, I do. Do you drive to work?
No, I don't. I walk. It's near my house.
Conversation 2.
Are you busy today?
No, I'm not. I'm free. Are you going to the park?
Yes, I am. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, I do. Is it far from here?
No, it isn't. It's only 10 minutes away. Do you like walking?
Yes, I do. I walk every morning. Do you walk too?
Yes, I do.
Conversation 3.
Good evening. Are you tired?
Yes, I am. I worked all day. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not. I had dinner early. Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. I like cooking pasta. Do you cook too?
Yes, I do. I cook rice and vegetables. Do you watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes I do. Do you watch TV every night?
No, I don't.
I read books instead.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.